scoreline after 76 minutes, 1-1. The man who has since scored for Highlanders has been taken off, replaced by Akim Komo. Highlanders can go! Mongameli Tshuma, cool, calm, collected.
Tshuma giving Highlanders the goal here. Dynamos goalkeeper, not sure what he tried to do there. Poor goalkeeping from Dynamos, Tatenda Makoni.
Mongameli Tshuma, out of nowhere, he goes to the CTN fans, pumps them up. A worthy celebration that befits a fantastic goal. Lapse in concentration from the defenders and the goalkeeper. And Mongameli Tshuma was there to pounce on it. Headed by Akim Komo. Best of face.
Dynamos
goes round
goalkeeper
against Colin Mjuru. Left grasping for straws, Colin Mjuru.
The composure by the youngster, I think, was great composure. And he's just struck the ball in the empty net. Tshuma, there we see him running to the Highlanders faithful. He knows what he has just done. He's just scored an important goal for Highlanders.
Oh boy, watch your